to the third video of the official SMM crew. We have started this channel to show all the newcomers the steps which is involved in placing an order, in signing up, and basically to use the SMM panel. This is our official SMM panel, and this is trust me, this is the cheapest panel you can ever find. So if you haven't watched the two other videos before this, I highly recommend you to watch them because they are very important. One is signing up and another is how to order. The main purpose of an SMM panel is to order. So if you don't know how to order, and it's really, it's just a waste. So please do watch the other two videos. And now today is our third video, and here we will be talking about how to create a ticket. Now what is a ticket? A ticket is a link between the admin and the customer. A ticket is basically the link between an admin and the customer. So when customers have a query, they can't directly talk to the admin of the panel, and that's why we have tickets. If you have any issues, if you're facing any issues, if you want a refill, if you want speed up, if you're facing payment issues, any of these issues, then you can raise a ticket, and the admin will view the ticket and he'll take the necessary steps. So as you can see, this is our front page, first page, and on the top there are 4 boxes: your balance, amount spent, total orders, and total tickets. On the top right corner, which is total tickets, which is 0 for me as I have not raised any ticket yet. That when you raise a ticket, we can see an increase in your total tickets. Okay, so we know how many tickets we have raised, right? So normally if you are using a phone, there will be a category which is the 3 dots near the Hi Kaushik and the balance, which is the official SMM logo. That tab towards the rightmost corner, there will be 3 dots to show the category. But as I am using in a landscape, I have all the categories here in front of me, which is statistics, order, service, API support, ad funds, and transaction logs. So now we have to just concentrate on support. Under support, we have 2 categories, subcategories: tickets and FAQs. FAQs is not important right now. Let's go to the tickets, as we are talking about tickets. When you tap on tickets, you'll be redirected to the tickets. Okay. So as you can see, on my left is all the descriptions that we need for the ticket, and on my right is your ticket logs. Okay, so basically the list show you how many tickets you have raised and for what purpose, and on the right you can add a new ticket. So the first category under add a new ticket is subject. Now subject may be anything, any issues that you're facing. If you're facing an order issue, if you want to refill, if you want to speed up the order, then you go under order. So under order you have all these requests: refill, cancellation, speed up, and others. You can choose whatever you want to according to your customer's needs. Under payment, you get PayPal, Stripe, to checkout, and others. This is not important because we don't have any of these. Under others comes Paytm and GPay. So if you are having any payment issues, you can just take others. Then under service, if you want a new service to be added, if you want to recommend a good service, you can type it down here. If you really want a good service, if you really want to recommend a service, or your customers are asking for a service, you can just let us know and we'll find a way to add it. Trust me, we will find a way to resolve all your problems. Maybe it'll take time, maybe it won't, but I'm sure we'll always get back to you. And on the last is others. If you have any other queries, any other problems, you can type it down here and we will see it. Okay? So under order, we have refill and speed up. Refill, speed up, cancellation and other. So when you click on speed up or any of these subcategories, it'll be shown there, and your order ID will be given in your transaction logs or your order logs, not transaction logs. Transaction logs show you the funds that have been added and deducted. Under order, you have order logs. When you go to order logs, you can see that every order has a unique order ID, and you have to just copy that order ID and paste it here in this order ID space. And then if you want to add anything, if you want to tell anything to us about the speed up or about the refill or about the cancellation or anything, you can add a description here so that we can know what to do. Okay, so this is how you create a ticket. And once you create a ticket, let me just show you. If I want to, now I have not placed any order yet, so I don't have an order ID to show you. But when you place an order, under your under lists, which is towards your right, you can get a summary of your ticket. And on your home page, which is when you click on the logo, your total tickets from 0 will be 1 when you create a ticket. And we as admins can see your ticket, and we can take necessary steps to ensure that whatever problem you're facing, or if you want to speed up, if you want to refill, we will do it for you. Okay, so this is it for today's video. I hope you learned something, and please do watch our earlier videos. We have posted in total 3 including this, so please watch our earlier 2 videos, because those are important steps: signing up and how to order. They're the crucial steps. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you guys, and please do like, share and subscribe. Share this video. If you don't like this video also, it's fine. Dislike the video, dislike, share and subscribe, but share this video for those new resellers who don't know their way through an SMM panel. So yeah, thank you.